Well, certainly hanging out with the family should put a big smile on your face, but if you're kind of afraid to smile, or you kind of do this whenever your teeth are showing, we'd like to fix that for you. And, Memorial Day is a great day to talk about CADsmiles. Now, I've got Miriam Farhan with us here today, Carol Young-Moses, good to see you, and Eddie Corrales from CADsmiles to talk about a totally different and new approach to remaking your smile. Eddie?
Correct, yes. I have a company called CADsmiles, and I work with dentists around San Diego. They have this technology called CEREC, and it allows me to go into the dental offices and make a smile in one day. It's a smile makeover in one day. In about 4 hours, patients can have their beautiful smile customized.
Now, most dentists work on one tooth at a time.
Correct.
And it takes several return visits.
Right.
Okay, well, let me ask Miriam here first off. What was it? Wow, look at the smile. I'm telling you what, it's like, it's perfect. Absolutely, it's beautiful. Now, I can't imagine that you didn't have a nice smile before, but what did you want changed?
Originally, my teeth were very small, and so I was hoping to get them in a shape that I would have a lot of confidence.
Well, you seem to have it now, because you don't mind smiling at all. You're beaming, you know, from ear to ear.
I was a very nervous patient when I met him, and then I am really thrilled with the results, and I was amazed how the results and the outcome was so beautiful. And
in one day?
In one day.
Okay, well, Carol, let me talk to you again. Same question. I mean, I can't imagine there was anything wrong with your teeth before. I mean, and are you guys aware of how I'm standing, you know, just inches away from you and looking at it, and I cannot tell that you've had anything done?
Yeah, you know, he does such amazing work. For me, I actually had fallen off a bike, and I had broken my front tooth, and so I'd kind of done a little bit of a patchwork with it, but it was starting to wear off, and so I was a little self-conscious. As you know, I do a lot of on-air appearances. I've been on your show.
Yeah, you've been on the show many times, yeah.
Yes, and I do lots of workshops. If I'm on set, I'm in front of people all the time doing, you know, makeup and giving beauty tips and things like that, and so I was very self-conscious about it. But Eddie does such amazing work. He really was very conscientious about making sure that the shape looked really good, that the tone of the color of the teeth matched my skin tone, so that it looked very, very natural and that you couldn't tell any difference.
Yeah, I just saw an episode of Friends the other day, the famous one where Ross bleached his teeth.
Oh.
And as Rachel's walking into the coffee shop, he says, "Have you noticed my," and he didn't even finish the sentence, and she said, "Your teeth?" "Yes, from outside."
From outside.
Yeah, so that's, you don't want that, right?
No, not at all. And the convenience is really, really nice, because I could have it done in one day. And I didn't have any downtime, so I didn't have to take any days off of work. Just take that one day, and I had this beautiful smile at the end of the day.
Now, Eddie, how many dentists do you work with here in San Diego?
We have about 50 dentists around San Diego.
About 50?
What we would say is that they're certified CADsmiles, but there's 500 dentists in San Diego that have this technology and have the potential of doing a smile in a day with CADsmiles.
So you want people to ask their dentist about CADsmiles and ask for that technology, or they can come visit your website and find one of the 50 dentists that you're already hooked up with.
Yeah, there's two websites. It's CADsmiles.com, that's where all the certified dentists are, or sdcerec.com, that's where you'll find all 500 dentists in San Diego to get a dentistry in one day done for you.
Beautiful. Now, Miriam, again, tell me about how you found Eddie in the first place.
Through my dentist, Dr. Marcus.
Perfect.
Yes, like I said, I was very nervous, but meeting both of them, they made me feel very comfortable. And they took the time to listen to all my concerns, and I'm thrilled. I'm really happy.
And Carol, the process, what, do they take a picture of your mouth, and then
they took
3D,
pictures,
the computer starts modeling
Right,
for
pictures,
you?
molds, all kinds of things, and just of almost every single tooth, so that he could get it to match almost identically the way my teeth looked before, so that it looked very natural.
Now, you walked out at the end of the day with that smile that I'm looking at?
I did, absolutely. It was amazing. I went in earlier, had a little break in the middle of the day, so I got to go and have a little smoothie, take a little break, and then came back, and at the end of the day, I had this gorgeous smile.
And we're just looking at some other before and afters up here, just some of the dramatic results. But Eddie, again, you want people to either go to your website, CADsmiles.com, or ask their dentist specifically about CADsmiles, And you can come in and you can work with any dentist, correct?
Yes, I can work with any dentist. Dentists that have this technology, and if they don't have this technology, I'll bring my own machine and I'll introduce them to this technology so they can get the experience of a CADsmile.
All right, well, Carol,
And
Miriam,
Eddie is
thank you so
the
much.
greatest. He's the nicest guy, I have to say.
Well, he always comes,
Absolutely
he always
awesome.
comes in here smiling.
Yes.
Yeah.
but if he didn't, we'd be suspicious.
There you go.
CADsmiles.com. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.